A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 14, from verse 8 to verse 20. In a Lystra, you did have one crippled man a sit down. He did born within 2 foot and cripple, so he never walked from him born. He did a listen to Paul a preach about Jesus. Paul looked straight upon him and see him did believe in a God enough, so God could have get him better. So Paul called out to him and said, "Get up, turn up straight." Same time, the man jump up and start walk. When the crowd see what Paul do, they start bawl out in the Lycaonian language. Them say, the God them turn man and come down from heaven to we. Then say Barnabas as Zeus, the head for the God them, and then call Paul Hermes, the mouthpiece for the God them, because him did that talk the most. Outside of the city, near the gates, them did have one house for the people who worship Zeus. The head priest for Zeus come with some bull cow and some flowers, because him and the people did want for burnt sacrifice give Barnabas and Paul them. But when Barnabas and Paul hear about what them did plan for do, them tear them clothes and run out to the crowd and bawl out to them, say, "Oi, when I do them sitting there for? No do it. We are just man, same like Unu. We only come to tell you the good news. We are telling you to turn away from them workless sitting here and turn to God. The God will live forever and will make heaven and earth and the sea and everything in them." First time, him used to left all of the people in the world who are not Jew for do what they want for do. But God always make people know or him good to them. Him do this when he making rain fall from heaven and make them feel bare air time. So no have no food to eat and he make on the heart happy. Even after Paul said all of them sitting there, them still did have a hard time before they could have get the people finna sacrifice to them. Then some Jew come from Antioch and Iconium and win over the crowd. Then get them for stone Paul, and when they think saying dead, then drag him body go fling it out of the city. But when the people them will believe in a Jesus get up around him body, Paul get up and go back in the city. The next day, him and Barnabas left God Derby. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.